What happens when you take Qualcomm's monstrous Snapdragon 8 Elite, slap a literal spinning fan inside it, and price it under $400? You get this. The brand new Redmi K90 Ultra. Xiaomi just announced this absolute beast for its June 30th launch, and it is built from the ground up for one thing: sustained, unthrottled performance. No fluff, no overheating, just raw power. Let's break down exactly what makes this Ultra. First up, the heart of the beast. Under the hood, we are getting the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Now, some might call this a last-gen flagship chip in mid-2026. But let's be real, this silicon is still an absolute track monster for emulation and native AAA Android gaming. But Redmi didn't stop there. To make sure this chip never breaks a sweat, they carried over the cooling DNA from the massive K90 Max, the thermal breakthrough. A built-in 18mm active cooling fan featuring a Vortex Airflow Design. Redmi claims this fan can drop internal temperatures by up to 10 degrees Celsius in just 100 seconds, all while whispering at a quiet 32 decibels. In their internal testing, it ran intensive 3D turn-based games at maximum settings for 3 hours straight in a hot 30 degrees Celsius room without dropping a single frame. No frequency throttling, no ghosting, just pure, locked-in frames. Flip it around, and the screen is a competitive gamer's dream. We are looking at a 6.83-inch 1.5K flat LTPS OLED display using premium M10 luminescent material. While most flagships stop at 120 Hz, this esports panel cranks it all the way up to a buttery smooth 165 Hz refresh rate. Redmi has already optimized over 40 major titles to run at native 165 frames per second without needing artificial frame interpolation. It also packs a dedicated D2 graphics chip to handle touch latency and audio processing, plus a blinding 3500 nits of peak brightness and Green Mountain eye protection to save your eyes during those late-night sessions. But here is the feature that blows the competition completely out of the water: the endurance. This phone is packing a massive 8,550 mAh Jinshanjiang battery. Let that sink in. Most mainstream flagships struggle to cross 5,500 mAh. This is a legitimate 2-day battery for power users, and even hardcore gaming won't give you battery anxiety. When you do need a top-up, it hooks up to 100-watt wired fast charging. Even better, it features bypass charging. Plug it in while gaming, and the electricity skips the battery entirely to power the system directly, eliminating the #1 source of unwanted heat while you play. And despite having a physical fan and a vent on the back, they still managed to secure both an IP68 and IP69 rating for absolute dust and high-pressure water resistance. At a starting price expected right around 2,799 yuan, the Redmi K90 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute steal for power users and mobile gamers who prioritize thermals and battery life over everything else. The only catch? It looks like it might stay a China exclusive for now. What do you think? Would you import this monster just for that cooling fan and massive battery? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. I'm Teletech. See you in the next one.